Hey everyone, today we are diving into an essential skill for every Python developer, virtual environment. Ever installed a package that broke another project or shared code that worked on your machine but not on someone else's? Virtual environment fix by keeping your project's dependencies separate and safe. By the end of this video, you will know how to create, use and manage virtual environment and avoid the dreaded discrepancy mess. Let's jump right in. Imagine you are working on two projects. Project 1 needs pandas version 1.0, while project 2 needs version 2.0. If you are using your system Python without any isolation, installing one version will override the other and break whichever project needs the older one. That's where a virtual environment comes in. Think of it like a clean, separate sandbox for your project. It has its own copy of Python and its own set of libraries, completely isolated from other projects. This means you can install different versions of packages in different environments with zero conflict and no mess. If you are using Python 3.3 or later, you already have a built-in tool called venv. No need to install any extra. To create a virtual environment, just open your terminal and run this command: python -m venv and your virtual environment name. This will create a new folder called my-env in your current directory. Inside that folder, Python sets up a fresh Python interpreter that is separate from your systems, a side package, which is dictionary where your project specific packages will be installed. You can now install and manage packages just for this project without affecting your global Python setup. Using an older version of Python that doesn't support venv, no worries. Just install virtualenv by running pip install virtualenv. This creates an environment with virtualenv and your virtual environment name. Virtualenv is often faster, especially for larger projects. Once you activate your virtual environment, you will see the virtual environment name, like my-env, appears at the beginning of your terminal line. That's how you know it's active. From this point on, any package you install using pip command will be added to this environment only, not your system Python. When you are done working, just deactivate to exit the virtual environment and go back to your normal setup. This command creates a list of all Python packages currently installed in your virtual environment. You can share this requirement.txt file with others so they can install the exact same packages and recreate your virtual environment on their own system, like cloning your setup in one step. Now, when you move your project to a new computer, just run this command: pip install -r requirement.txt. It reads the requirement.txt file and install everything your project needs, exactly the way it was before. Use one virtual environment per project. This keeps things isolated. Every project should have its own virtual environment to avoid version conflict and mess. Always add your virtual environment name to gitignore file. Never push your entire virtual environment to GitHub. Just share your requirement.txt. That's all, others need to recreate it. Update requirement.txt after installing new packages. Every time you run pip install something, always run pip freeze and then requirement.txt. This keeps your dependency list up to date for teammates and for future use. Avoid system side package unless you are absolutely sure. This flag makes your virtual environment include global packages, which defeats the purpose of isolation. Use it only when you know why. Step 1. To create and activate, open your terminal in your project folder and run this command. This creates a folder named My Project containing a clean Python environment and activate it using below commands. After activation, your terminal will show the virtual environment name, which means you are inside the virtual environment. Install the required packages. Use pip to install any Python libraries your project needs. These packages are installed only in your virtual environment, not globally. Once your virtual environment is ready, save the list of installed packages by using this command. This creates a file that records exact version of your installed packages, perfect for sharing and deployment. To share the project, include the Python files in requirements.txt. Don't include the virtual environment folder. To recreate the virtual environment on another machine, just create the virtual environment, activate it, and install all the packages mentioned in the requirements.txt file using the pip command. This installs exact same packages, making your project run the same everywhere. Virtual environments are your secret weapon for clean and organized Python projects. They keep each project isolated, so you never have to worry about version conflict or broken dependencies. Start with venv to set up your own mini Python world, and when you're ready, check out advanced tools like Poetry for managing dependencies like a pro. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Escape Room Coding, and ring the bell icon so you never miss a Python tip. Thank you for watching, stay curious, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.